What up, YouTube? I just want to make a real quick video today. Something I figured out. At first I had a little bit of trouble understanding it. I went through these patches, and if you go into Create a Soldier and pick your squad member, go to Customize, go on to Patch. And some of these will say, like right there, Multi-Frag 2, Operation Inactive, Master Chef 2, Inactive. These ones that say inactive, and you're like, well, I'd really like to get that patch. You say, well, how do I get that? Why is it inactive? Some of these you might look at and say, well, I know what I got to do. Let's see if I can find one here. You know what you got to do to get it. Like right there, Diffuser 1, defuse 2 bombs. And then you go to the next one to get the silver and gold. You know what you got to do? You got to defuse bombs, but it says inactive. What you got to do is if you go into your operations, these are your challenges to get patches. Now in the patches, if they're not active right here, if they're not showing up in this list of operations per se, then they're inactive. So those challenges that you do, like defusing bombs, don't count towards the patch. And they're not keeping track of that. You can hit X, to buy new operations for 1 squad point, and it might keep track of your, you get some new challenges, new operations, whatever you want to call them, and then you can track them from there. One thing I did find out is sometimes when your operations are all the same. If you switch to a Create a Soldier and I say, okay, I want to play with this guy, you hit X, go back out and go to operations, it's all the same. All your operations are the same for all the characters. They don't start over per character. So when you go to an X Prestige. The other thing is, let's see here. Yeah, I think that's about it. The patches. Just operations have to be active in your operations thing. The operations change over, I think, every 14 days. This is currently at 12 days. So in 12 days, 19 hours, 57 minutes, and 16 seconds, I will have new operations. If some of these I don't complete, don't worry about it. Because when you get a new set of operations, this might be in that set. So if I never use the perk focus again, and I stay at 59 when I get new operations in 12 days, when this goes back up, it's still going to be at 59. So that's one thing you should know. Also, like Chrome Barrel, the one thing I noticed is these do not compound on top of each other. Like this, I'll use this one as an example. I needed 100 kills with the Chrome Barrel, so I got 100 kills. Now it says I need to get 250. It starts me back over at 0, not at 100. You got to go from 0 to 250 as opposed to 100 to 250, which in the past is a little different from past Call of Duties. So that's it today, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the game. I had a lot of fun playing tonight. The boys and I went on like a 39-40 game win streak, and having a lot of fun actually playing Search and Rescue. I say it again, go play that game. It's actually a good time. Some people get a little frustrated playing regular Search and Destroy. They think it's too slow. You die, you're done, you have a bad game. But Search and Rescue is a good time. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you out. And